If you are an entrepreneur and you are wanting to start a YouTube channel or grow your YouTube channel perhaps, and you're wondering how can you actually make money from YouTube without having thousands upon thousands of subscribers, no worries, I got you. I'm going to be breaking down how you can make money from your YouTube channel with less than 1,000 subscribers. You ready? Let's go. Hey, I'm Monique Shurray, media coach and video marketing strategist. Do me a favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for new videos every single Wednesday. And let's get into what we're going to be talking about today. So there is a myth going around, all right? There is a myth and I'm here to dispel the myth. The myth is that you need thousands upon thousands of subscribers to actually make money from your YouTube channel. And I'm here to tell you, you do not. No, that is not true. Here's the thing. What is true is that once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months, that's when your videos are able to be monetized through YouTube, meaning that you can get paid through YouTube once you reach those benchmarks. But if you're an entrepreneur and you're just really starting out on YouTube, you don't really have those subscribers and watch time yet, what do? Here is what you do. You use YouTube to sell your own products and services. I don't care if it's a $10 ebook or if it's a $2,000 plus coaching program. You can absolutely use YouTube as a platform to sell your own products and services. But let me make something very clear. I'm not just saying throw up a promotional video, buy my service, buy my book, and enroll in my course, and that's it. No, it does not work that way. You have to create content to actually lead into your product or service. For example, if you are a makeup artist, and let's just say that you are actually launching some courses about how to do glam makeup, okay? Let's just say glam makeup. You're not just going to create a YouTube video about the actual courses that you're going to have, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to kind of create content that leads into that. So one thing that you can do is you can create a YouTube video on how to create the perfect smoky eye. Come on now, smoky eyes. Let's smoke these eyes, okay? Did that smoke? Okay. Let's create a bomb smoky eye. Another thing that you can do is you can say, hey, how to properly contour and highlight your face, okay? So these are things that people are actually interested in when it comes to makeup, right? And these videos can actually lead to you offering your makeup courses that people are going to actually buy. Okay, so you have to have content, create content around your actual offer. So don't make the mistake of putting up a promotional video and that's it. You have to get people to know, like, and trust you. And that leads me into why it is important, okay, to have videos like this. Now, if you need some ideas on what types of videos that you can create for your business and your niche, I'm going to link to a video right up in here. I'll also put it in the description box below. So be sure to watch that. It'll give you some ideas. Now, a benefit in having a YouTube channel for your business and selling your products and services is not just about making money. It's also about increasing your credibility. All right, we always hear that people buy from people that they know, like, and trust, right? Right. So by you actually having a YouTube channel, by you actually letting people in on your expertise and providing valuable content that actually answers questions, it solves problems, it hits those pain points, those frustrations. It's just like, wow, I want to get to know this person more. I like this person. I'm beginning to trust what this person has to say. Your credibility increases, and people buy from people that they actually trust. And so that's another reason why you want to actually start selling your products and services through YouTube, because of that credibility factor. Okay, that credibility factor. But again, it's not just creating a promotional video. You got to have some more content around that. Okay, let me tell you something. All this is possible without having 1,000 subscribers. Making money from YouTube is possible without having that. On your way there, you are increasing your revenue, you are increasing your credibility, you're getting to know different people, you're getting to be able to collaborate with others as well. So it is so many benefits to be able to use YouTube for your business. So start creating content around your offer, around your products, around your services, and listen. That is how you begin to make money from YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for new videos every single Wednesday, and I'll see you next time.